Hey guys, welcome back to my parents' kitchen. We all like steak, we all like sandwiches, so what's better than a steak sandwich? Let's go. We have our steak, we have our sandwich. Let's go into detail. For the steak, I'm using an onglet, about 300 grams. It's too much for one sandwich, but it's gonna be for me and my cameraman. I'm paying him in food after all. I'm using ciabatta bread, iceberg lettuce, and for our sauce, I'm doing a spicy mayo, olive oil, Dijon mustard, harissa, and an egg. And of course, I'll have French fries on the side. They're already pre-cooked. We'll cook them again to make them extra crispy. So right now, I'm gonna move everything away, and we'll start the recipe. First step of our prep, we're gonna cut the meat. Our onglet on the table, nice and secure, it won't move. I'm using a flexible knife, it's gonna be easier to make thin slices. And we're gonna cut our meat about 1 centimeter thick in the same direction as the grain of the meat. There we go. Grab our lettuce. We won't need much. Make a steak sandwich after all, not a lettuce sandwich. Cut in two, and reserve. For our bread, cut in two, set aside for later. And now our mayonnaise. Grab a bowl, 1 egg, harissa, mustard, oil, harissa. Up to you. I like to put 15 milliliters, about 1 soup spoon inside. If you want it spicier, put more. Harissa is done. 1 large spoon of Dijon mustard. Grab our blender, pre-mix, salt, pepper, remix, and now vegetable oil all the way to the top. It's done. Sheen for later. In the sink, mayonnaise in the fridge, and I'll clean my table after. Prep work done. Now it's time to actually cook everything up. I'm gonna preheat my oil to 200 degrees Celsius. For our steak, I'll need a pan. I'm gonna preheat that up 200 degrees Celsius. To cook the steak, I'll put a drop of oil in the middle. We're at about 200 degrees Celsius. Now it's time to cook the meat. Flat in the pan. Wait about 20 seconds. I want my steak to be medium. Turn again. At this stage, salt and pepper. To get an extra buttery taste, butter. There we go, our steak is cooked. Heat off. And we'll reserve. At this stage, I'm gonna heat my oven on the grill, and the heat from the oven will keep my meat warm, and the pan can go away. And now our bread. Pizza tray, bread in the middle, and the bread in the oven. Watch out, it's gonna go really fast, maybe 30 to 45 seconds. After 45 seconds, let's check. Our bread is done. Our oil is hot, basket up, fries inside, fries down, and I'll wait about 35 to 40 seconds. About 20 seconds left. And dip. 45 seconds. Fries in a bowl with paper towel. Heat off. Spin them around. Paper towel good. A bit of salt. Nice and crispy. Now let's make our sandwich. Grab our bread on the table. Grab our steak. Watch out, the plate is hot. It was heated up from the heat from the oven. Grab our mayonnaise from the fridge. A bit on the bottom. A bit on top. Grab our steak. And 1 last piece right here. The rest will be for a second sandwich. Let's check if we cooked our meat correctly. 1 piece of meat on the table. Cut our meat in 2. There we go. Nice pink in the middle. Not too cooked, not too dry. Of course you can cook it the way you want. Medium rare, rare, well cooked. Up to you. Center our sandwich. Put some salad on top. Should be enough. With the top on top. And now plate. Sandwich front and center. Our fries behind. It's enough for now, the rest will be for my cameraman. Small container, and our mayonnaise inside. Alright guys, here we have it. Our sandwich is done and ready to be eaten. If you want to see another rendition of this video, go to my dad's channel, Jean-Pierre Dumas, and I'll see you guys next week. See ya, bye.